years I heard you talk about it.
It's a nice success.
Tianna.
So don't use us so
Tianna.
It wasn't that hard to start.
You're not a distraction. I just wanted to
Put
vent.
a disturb sign on the front of your office that nobody wants to
I wish Courtney was a bit more supportive of my mobile office, but yeah, it was more of just
Hey.
a distraction and kind of one more thing I wanted to take my mind off of other things probably.
Well, I'm glad you're in good spirits.
I'm not in that good of spirits.
Okay. It really didn't do much. But I did something. Ken, we've been so mean to Mom. I feel like I'm setting a really bad example because I am such a bitch, and it's not okay. I just feel like it's how we are. Yeah, but I feel like I'm such a bad influence, and sometimes it's funny, but I think like too much, it gets a little overwhelming.
Ooh, that was a long one.
She has so many things that even like we're not like aware of too. Like even like forgetting like